Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to take out your zipper bulge. Okay, on your gown. You know what zipper bulge is, right? That that excess that pops out from your clothes, from your outfits, when you wear them, maybe gown, maybe top. That excess that pops out. How to take it off from your pattern before you sew it on your material. So I went ahead to drag. This is a basic gown. So I'll be showing you guys how to do it here. Like this is a basic gown, but this material is the back pattern. Okay, this is the front basic gown, but I'm using it to draft out a back pattern. So on the back pattern, I came in for the zipper allowance. I came in by 1.5 inches before I place the front pattern on it. So what we will be doing now is, here is the waistline. As you can see, I labeled it waist point. So from this waist point, I will extend this line to the material itself. Okay, I extended this line to the material. So from this line that I extended to the material, I'll go in by half of an inch. Remember the measurement I took here for the zipper allowance is 1.5. But as a beginner, I did this because this material, I'm managing the material. Like the normal zipper allowance that I normally use is 2 inches. But due to I'm managing this material, I had to use 1.5 inches. So as a beginner watching this video, please do well to use up to 2 inches for your for your zipper allowance. Okay. So even if you are using the 2 inches, even if you are using 1.5 inches, just come in by half inches like this. Okay, then from there you will slant it you will slant it like this. You will slant it to the material, up to the, like this. Like, I don't know if you are getting what I'm saying. You will slant it to the material like this way, and to the down part you also do it the same thing. Okay, using your straight ruler. So you slant it like this, slant it this way. I hope you are seeing what I'm doing, right? So do you see it? So from there you will now cut it out. Let me start from the end, from the down part. I've slant it open. Then from here I will then cut out the zipper bulge. Did you see it? So if I'm sewing this gown, like this gown here, when I reach here on the zipper, for the zipper allowance, I will also come in by the 1.5 inches that I came in for the zipper allowance. I will also come in here, not minding that I've already taken out half inches for it. So I will come in by the 1.5 inches. That is how it will now be snatched. There is no there will not be any excess for you to pop out again. Okay, as you can see, it will not be snatched like this. To look like this, like it will be snatched. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. up to this moment, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It will not cost you anything, okay? I know you find value in my videos, and stay tuned because I will be sharing more of tutorials like this, okay? Subscribe to my YouTube channel, share my video, like and comment. See you guys in my next video. Until then, stay blessed.